Hello everyone, my name is Azaz Patel and you are watching Azaz Patel official YouTube channel. Welcome to the part 30 of responsive e-learning website development in PHP with PDO. So guys, in last tutorial we successfully created this slider section. So in this tutorial we are going to working on the category section from here. So wasting of time, let's get started. So guys, what we are going to done here, just simply come back here into the our index.php, copy this one from here, paste that one from here with the name. We will change the name with the homecat.php. Now we will create a one file from here with the Ctrl+N and give the DOID equal to homecat. Ctrl+S to save. home_cat.php. we will save this file from here. So now let's target this target that homecat div here. So how can you do that? So simply home_cat, its width will be 100%, and then padding will be from the all side 5%, and its box sizing will be the border box. Okay, and then come back again into homecat.php and create a one UL tag from here, and inside that UL we are going to use the li tag from here. And first of all we will create a one link with the href. First of all has for now. Okay, inside that link we need one icon. So how can we get the icon? So we are simply going to the font awesome icons. So the site is opening now. Okay, so first of all let's find out the code. So you can see that the code icon is coming from here. Let's refresh it again and check it what we have here. Come on man, what are you doing? Yeah, okay, so we are going to copy this one from here, paste that one from here. After that we will get one h4 tag and say web development. Okay, and that after we will create a one p tag and here too. So what we have here, just look at here, is the icon of that category, and is the name of that category, and how many courses are available inside that course. So here's the numbers. So here is the icon, here is the category name, and here how many courses available inside that category. So simply we are going to copy this one from here by Ctrl+C, paste that one, and paste that one again and again. 3 and 5. So we have a 5 into the one line. So now let's refresh that one, our main page, refresh our main page and check what we have here. So you can see that we have here all the li. So before we set the li, we need to set h3 tag from here, and here what we have here, categories. Okay, so simply we are going to paste that categories from there. Now we are going we doesn't need the slider.php, so we will close this one. Again come back into the style sheet, home_cat, have some h3 tag. So text align will be center, color will be has 3 F5267, and then its font weight will be normal. So now let's check what we have here. So refresh it, so you can see that it's coming very perfectly, but we need to set the font size from here. So we will set the font size will be let's remove this one and set it with the h2 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 and h2 from here. Okay, let's refresh it again, so you can see that. But we also need to set the font size from there. So we set the font size, I think 24 pixel. Refresh that one. I think let's set it with the 30 pixel. Refresh it, so you can see that now it's looking very good. Same like this, but we have some more spaces from here, so we need to remove that spaces. So 0%, 5%, and then 5%. But on the top we only need 3%. Let's refresh and check. Not this one, this one. Refresh it. Okay, so just look at this now. Now this is into the center. Perfect. Let's set now what we are going to do here, just simply we are design this allies. So how can we design that one? So say home underscore cat, have some ul, so list style type will be none. So we will remove the bullets from here. You can see that the bullets are now gone. Okay, so now the next task is we need to set the height and width of that ULLI. So we set the width 20% and we set the height. Height will be 250 pixel and its background will be has FFF, which means white color background. Refresh it, so you can see that the categories are coming from here. I think 200 pixel is perfect. You can see that. Refresh it, so 200 pixel is perfect way. And now we need to float left property using here. So we set the float left, so that all are coming into the left side section. So you can see that. Okay. Also from the right side 5% padding. Refresh it, so you can see that. Nice, looking very good, perfect. So what we are going to do here just now, so simply we set 80% of width and we set the margin from the left and right. Okay, we set the margin directly from the UL. No, not UL. We also need that one from there. Okay, so margin from left 2%, margin from right 2%. Okay, let's try to refresh it, so you can see that the output is perfectly coming. We need to set the UL with the 3% of padding margin. So we set the margin from top 3%. Refresh that one, so you can see that now it's looking very good, perfect. But we need that here inside from here. So we'll remove the padding from the left side. So we already have a 3% of 2% of padding here, so we use only here 3%. Refresh it, so you can see that now it's looking very good, perfect. And we set the margin from the right only 1% and see what we have done here. Refresh it again, that is not coming. So let's say 0% of it. Okay, so now that is coming very well. So we'll remove this one from here. Also we set the margin from the bottom 3% as same as we have the top side. Refresh it. Okay, we need to set a BR clear all property from here. Clear all. Now let's refresh it, so you can see that the 3% padding is coming from here. So now our next task is we need to center that one. So how can we do that? So simply, first of all, we are going to target the A tag here. Text slash decoration will be none. Okay, and then same way we use here I tag. So I tag text align will be center, and then color will be has3 F5267. Then we need some line. Oh, sorry. Text align center. Let's see font size. We need to set the font size here. So we set the font size with the 34 pixel, and let's see what we have here. Refresh it. So you can see that we need to set it more than 34 pixel. We need to set it here with the, I think, as 70 pixel. Refresh it. So you can see that, and we set the font weight normal here. Font weight normal. Refresh that one. I think we make some mistake from here. Let's first of all center it. So I think this is not centered, right? Refresh it. So we need to center it. So how can we center that one? So simply what we are going to do here, just simply we use a center tag from here. Okay, we will now close that center tag after this p tag. Okay, so now let's check what we have here. I think we need to clear the history from here, and then after we will check it. Let's refresh. Okay, this is not into the center. This is not coming into the center. Okay. Yeah. This is not working into the center, just because we will target that one. Okay, so let's first of all copy this one from here by Control C, paste that one from here by Control V. Again we are going to paste that one from here, paste that one from here, and also from here. Now let's refresh and check. So you can see that now it's looking very good and perfect. Into the last we have some mistake from here, so we'll copy this one from here by Control C, paste that one by Control V. Again come back here, refresh it. So you can see that now we need to set it with the font weight normal. Font weight normal. Let's refresh and check. Why it's not working with the font weight normal? Let's remove it for now, and after we will check it why it's not working. So now we need to some margin from the top. So how can I do that? So simply we are using line height 200 pixel. Refresh it. Okay. So we set simply here margin top margin for the top 5%. Let's see with the what happened with the 5%. Nothing is going to happen. So we need to some more margin from the top 50 pixel 50%. Refresh it. 50% is too much, so set it with the 25%. Refresh it. So now no, not perfect with the that one. So we need to decrease some font size with the 60 pixel and see what we have here. Just refresh it. Okay, and we set with the 20% of margin top. Refresh that one. So now I think this is wow, very good and looking very perfect. Again we are going to copy this one from here, and we set the h4 tag from there. Yeah, h4 tag here. So let's see with the p tag what we have with the p tag. Control X, p tag. Okay, and we'll change this one, that one with the span tag. Span tag, span tag. Okay, so let's now we'll check it with the, not that one. There was some p tag, then it's font weight normal. Okay, and we also need to set it here with the p tag. Refresh it. Nothing is working here, which means we doesn't need to add that one from there. Okay, so now what we are going to do here, just simply come back again into the style sheet. Ctrl plus S to save. H4. So margin from the top 2%, and its color will be as 748890. Refresh it. So you can see that perfect. Also you need to set that p tag from here. Have p tag, then its color will be as 3 F5267, and then its margin, let's also set the margin from bottom here. Margin bottom 2%. Let's refresh and check what we have here. So you can see that I think we need to increase some more margin from the top 4%. Let's see. Yeah, now it's looking very good and perfect. Same way we can change this with the, let's change it with the database. What are next category? Design. Yeah, so let's change it with the web. Okay, not a web development, only development, and here only design. Refresh it, and also change the icon with the code to, let's see, let's find out the designing from here. For the design what we have here, just check it. So look at this, the pencil section, pencil. Refresh it again. So copy this one from here, paste that section from here. Let's see the output from here. Refresh it. So you can see that designing is coming from here. I think this icon is not matching with this, so we have to find one another icon from here. We can use this icon also from here, or this icon. Let's use this icon. Copy this one, paste that one from here. Refresh it. Okay, now it's looking very good, perfect. The next is musics. Let's put it with the music. For music, let's check. Yes, here we have a music. This icon is also perfect. So we will use this icon, headphone, ALT, which means music. Refresh it, so you can see that the perfect coming. And now marketing or business, let's set the business. We will get all the category dynamically but now we will just checking, so we'll set it with our setup. Okay, so don't worry about that. So for business we use a user here, user or users, anything we can use it. Refresh it, so you can see that the business is also coming from here. Then after marketing, so let's remove this one from here and set the marketing, and we use here globe to get the okay, just look at this now, it's globe. Okay, so now the next question is what happened when someone hover on this one. Just look at here, it's a very cool effect from coming here. So we need to set that cool effect. How can we do that? So simply come back again from here, copy this one from here, Ctrl+C, paste it, hover, then its background will be has 3 F5 to 6 7. Let's check what we have here. So you can see that, oh no, not that one. No effect are coming from here. So background is FFF, background is, let's refresh the page and see what we have here. Clear the browsing data, clear that one, close it, come back here, refresh it. Okay, so you can see that our effect are coming from now. So now when someone click on this one, so we need to also change the color of that icon. So how can we set that one? So again come back here on hover, eye color as 74889E. okay, let's see the refresh and check it what we have here. Refresh it, so you can see that the color is coming, but the p tag color is not coming. So we need to also set the p tag here. Same way we are going to copy this one from here, not like that, paste that one from here, change the p with this one, refresh it. Okay, so now it's looking very good and perfect. So the next task is we need to round it that square just like this one. You can see that. So how can we do that? So simply what we are going to do here is simply we set here border radius 100%, and let's see what is the output coming from here. So you can see that the 100% border is coming from here. You can see that. Well, look at this effect. This effect is very cool effect. You can see that. So how can you do that? So simply what we are going to do here, just going to the li, and here we set transition property. Transition all 0.3s is in out. Let's check it with the is in out without is in out property. Let's refresh it. See that, you can see that perfect effect coming. But look at this effect, as same way we use here. How can we apply that effect? So we need to use here is in out property. So now let's refresh and check. Refresh it, so you can see that now we have a perfect effect. You can see that The perfect effect is coming from here. Let's add one another li from here and see what we have. I want to just check it's taking a margin from the bottom or not. Let's refresh it. Okay, so just look at this now. Now it doesn't get any margin bottom property here. So let's again come back to the CSS and here set it also with the margin from bottom 2%. Let's refresh it. So you can see that effect is coming from perfectly here. And now we doesn't need that bottom side section, only 1% we needed. Refresh it. It doesn't need that 1% also from there. So let's refresh it. Okay, so now perfect coming. So the effect are perfectly coming. So let's remove this one just because we doesn't need that one from there. We our only purpose is just to check it's coming with the margin or not. Okay, so just look at this now. Now the effect is very completely perfectly coming from here. You can see that. So guys, I think this is enough for today. In next tutorial we are going to working on this top courses section. Okay, so guys, I think this is enough for today. If you guys are like my videos, then like and share my videos, and if you have any question in your mind, then comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will meet you in next tutorial. Stay connected with me, stay tuned. Thanks for watching guys. Goodbye.